So this story takes place in a house with 3 sisters. One of them, Natalia, is an inventor. One of them, Oskaria, is an artist who is dying of tuberculosis. And the youngest one, Wilhelmina, just wants to be an adventurer. And she writes letters to Ada Lovelace, who programmed the first computer. And that's where the story begins. Chère Madame la Comtesse Lovelace, I write to you even though you died long ago. I know you spoke French, so that is the language in which I am addressing you, as my English is not quite as good. I crave someone to talk to, someone who would understand and who isn't one of my sisters. We live alone and I have no friends. Let's be friends, you and I. I'm writing this from my chamber, to which I have withdrawn because Natalia gave me a talking to for visiting the ballroom alone to look at the analytical engine. Oskaria is asleep, and her Nordling will not come until Monday. I try to focus on the Latin text he tells me to translate, but the Gallic wars don't interest me. So I write to you, milady. May I call you Ada? I am sure you won't think ill of me if I do. You are, after all, dead. Natalia says the machine is very sensitive and that I might tamper with it. I would not. I just want to understand how it works. I have never been a natural scientist. While my language skills are excellent, I find mathematics and engineering extremely difficult to grasp. Herr Nordling says it is natural for a girl to be less competent at such things. Natalia says I am merely lazy, but Natalia is a genius, and I am not. I will go to Oskaria and see if she is feeling better now. I will write to you again soon. Respectfully, Wilhelmina Wadenhög. My dear Ada, this is my last letter to you. I will not tell you ahead of time what happened. You will understand over the course of my letter.
Natalia siltet mal-magna l-lejl u nar. Ma naħsibx li raqdet wis. Ma ħallitnix nedħol. Herr Nordling għadda 3 u wetlu b'kollox. Qal li kien imħasseb u mbagħad trid jara sala ta' sfin. Meta Natalia ma ħallitux jitlaq, telaq. Qal li kien se jġib lil xi ħadd lil min ma nafx, imma dak kien il-bieraħ u naħseb li ma jdumx ma jgħaddi xi ħadd. Il-pulizija jew tabib, jekk Herr Nordling forsi jaħseb li Natalia ġennet. Ikun min ikun iwaqfu l-esperiment, imma bidilt fimt, ma rrid il-ħadd jiġi, jiddispjaċini immens li qed xi ħaġa għax dak li ġara wara li telaq Herr Nordling ġalni nibdel femti.
When I tried the doors to the ballroom this morning, they were open, and Natalia was not there. I found her in her bed on the 2nd floor, fast asleep. Then I went back to the ballroom, where the engine was still running, and I approached the typewriter at the helm. I pressed the keys. Oskaria, I wrote, it is your sister, Wilhelmina. For a long moment, the engines did nothing. Then it rattled, and something moved to my right. It was the phonograph. It slid along the row of wax rolls and settled on one. Scratchy and far away, I heard Oskaria speak.
Oħt waħda għandi d-dar u oħra ċintabot. Waħda biss imnizla. It-tnej tiegħi imma.
En syster har jag i mitt hus och en bortom en häck. Blott den ena är känd, men båda tillhör mig. Emily Dickinson. Oskaria had loved her poetry so. I typed slowly, are you here?
Mien ħadd jien. Int min int. Int ħadd ukoll mela ltqajna.
Jag är ingen. Vem är du? Är du ingen, du och? Då är vi två. Emily Dickinson, again. I don't understand, I said aloud. I set my fingers to the keys again. Are you dead? The phonograph moved.
Mir-rovini kibja ta' xortija rajt kewbet l-immortalità.
Jag vinka, såg odödlighetens stjärna. The wax roll shuddered.
Kewbet l-immortalità. Kewbet l-immortalità.
Odödlighetens stjärna. Odödlighetens stjärna. I typed, are you Oscaria? The phonograph slid a few steps to the right, and Oscaria's voice whispered,
Tanni lebda anja alija.
sjung ingen psalm för mig. And then,
Mienħat.
jag är ingen. Ada, I could not stand it. I ran to my room. I don't know who is in the machine. It is my sister, it must be, and yet it is not. Its words ring in my head. Sing no sad songs for me. I am nobody. Natalia is still asleep. I sit in my chamber and wait for Herr Nordling to come back. He will ruin everything. I have ruined everything. But at last, perhaps, here it is, Ada, the proof to counter your objection. A seed is consumed by the plant. Is the mind in the machine that new plant? We might never know. There might not be time to run more experiments. All I can do is wait. I wish you were here with me, Ada. You would have known what to do. But at least now you know that your ideas lived on and that my sister tried her best. Forever your friend, Wilhelmina. Thank you.